Your search for student accommodation filled with natural light that feels like a vacation every day ends at the Hudson College Station, your gateway to comfort and relaxation amid uni life. Choose from the wide range of lavish 1, 2, 4 and 5 bedroom apartments and studios and make your private room your sanctuary. Power through focused sessions at the study rooms. Hit beast mode at the state-of-the-art fitness centre. Or enter zen mode at the yoga studio. Bring your fur babies along at this pet-friendly property. Take in the breathtaking views from the 8th floor Sky Lounge, your window to royal living. You can now focus on what matters with all-inclusive utilities and an on-site micro-market for all your shopping needs. Turn your commute to college into a brisk exercise with the Texas A&M University within a mile's distance. Located on Stasney St, you are right at the heart of the city's culinary scene. Hurry, grab your spot at the Hudson College Station today via amberstudent.com.